All right, okay. Put it straight on all the way to the top of the mountain. All right. Go. And it's right there. What a view! Going down that road. Do you want to do it or? Come on, dear. Okay. There's a long hill coming up. There's a long hill going up the mountain. If you overtake them, there's quite a few of them. Should we just go back to Sarn? Alright. Ready? Yeah. It's just to let you know, first roundabout up here. I think it's the first exit. A4061. No, that's this one. The second one. 4061, we take a right coming out, and I think it's the first exit. I think it's 4061 to Bryn Maesteg or Bryn something. All right, okay. But it's straight on all the way to the top of the mountain. All right, let's go.
Out of the Sarn Services, at the lights, turn right, go up the hill to the roundabout, take the first exit left onto the A4061, signs for Bryn Maesteg. Stay on the A4061 to the top of the Bwlch Mountain. You will pass through 3 villages on your way. The first one is Bryn Maesteg. Fork right at this junction. The next village is Blackmill.
So we're now entering Blackmill, and on another route I filmed from Brecon to over the Regos and over the Bwlch. We actually came down this road, and at this junction turned what is our right now, but coming down it was to the left for Tondu. So we'll go straight on to the top of the Bwlch.
After Blackmill, it'll be Nantymoel. Turn right at the clock roundabout.
And it's right here. Oh yeah.
Enjoy the scenery as you climb to the top of the Bwlch Mountain. There's a lot more bends like this one on today's ride. You'll be following signs for Port Talbot, A4107, as you get to the top of the Bwlch Mountain. You'll be turning left at the viewpoint to go on the A4107, taking you to Port Talbot, towards Port Talbot.
Okay.
More great viewpoints as you climb higher on the Bwlch Mountain.
What a view!
That's the Afan Valley ahead. You can see the winding road we're going to ride down.
It loose, came loose. Yeah, it's just that one. This not that one. This one. It kept on falling into me. That's a lovely view, isn't it? So the road's going down. They're going down that road. Do you want to do it or? Don't mind you. Okay.
Look at this for a bend. It's 13 miles from the Bwlch Mountain viewpoint down the Afan Valley to Afan, where we'll turn off to go to Bryn. This part of the ride will take around 25 minutes. Great views as you ride down the Afan Valley to Cymru. And more great bends. What a great road this is. I think this was my Uncle Herbert's shop when I was a little boy. It's where my cousins grew up. Ride through Cymru and the road opens up again. You'll get more lovely views of the Afan Valley as you enjoy more great biking roads. When you get to the traffic lights at Cymru, take the sharp hairpin left turn heading to Bryn. Lenny, I was hoping you'd pull up alongside for a chat.
There's a long hill coming up. There's a long hill going up the mountain. Should you overtake them? There's quite a few of them.
some lovely views as you ride alongside Maesteg Golf Club. Great views ahead. That's where I was born.
Turn right, turn right. Right at these lights and then we'll find a cafe here. Pull in on the left somewhere. Yeah, you know that hospital we just passed? Huh? Do you notice the hospital we passed? That's where I was born. Is it? Yeah. Yeah.
At this point, you could turn around and do the route in reverse back to Sarn. That's not a bad idea. I might make a film about that.
Everything was shut. It's only like 10-15 minutes back to Sarn. Should we just go back to Sarn? Alright.
There's a few villages to ride through on this road back to Sarn. It's straight on at the lights in Tondu. Left at this roundabout, following signs for M4. You have to go up and around the roundabout to get back into the services. Today's ride was 35 miles long and took 1 hour 15 minutes to ride. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and tell me your thoughts in the comments below. On screen you will see links to other videos in the series, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Back in the services.